Alright guys, so we are back here at the Port of Brownsville on this beautiful day, perfect weather, overcast, no rain, not too hot, and we are going to start with some of our skills challenges that we found for beginners. I see a lot of these, people, pros demonstrating how to do drills, but I don't really see a lot of beginners doing the drills, so we're going to be testing out some of these different skill challenges that we saw on YouTube. This one is actually shout out to MX Factory. Thanks for the idea, and it's going to be the slowest person that crosses the finish line is actually going to be the winner. So this is going to test us on our balance, clutch control, throttle control, and what we're going to do is me, Gio, my dad, we're going to line up at the cone and standing. We're going to see whoever crosses the end of the cone about 20 yards. Whoever's the last one that crosses is going to be the winner. So excited to try this out. This should be very low risk, no injuries from this little, from this little challenge. I know we've had to deal with some already. So I just want to get started kind of thinking about that balance and can't wait to see who wins.
The ground is out. You have to be standing. Ready? Set. Go. Am I out already? Okay. Restart for me. I can't even go. Okay. That's hard. All right. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Do it again. Me too. I didn't even move. We all stalled. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wow, not slow. Both doing pretty well. My dad is standing though, Gio's not. Wow! Oh! Keep going, keep going! Ready? 1, 2, 3. I can't go!
You gotta keep your revs up and you gotta stand up and balance. Use your rear brake too. When you're going too fast, stop, balance, give it a little bit of gas, but you keep your clutch right where it's almost engaged. You'll be right here.
Alright! 1, 2, 3. I lost. Let's see how these guys do. Both doing pretty well. My dad is standing though, Gio's not. Wow! Oh! Keep going, keep going!
All right, so we just wrapped up the slow race competition, and it was way harder than it looks. Oh my God. Like, there was a lot of times where I couldn't even get off the line. The winner, the slowest rider today was my dad, of course, not a surprise.
Right, yeah.
He has amazing throttle control and clutch control. Gio did really good on that last time.
I won, I think, like twice, and then your dad won 4 times. You won 0 times.
Look, I tried.
That last race was really good between me and your dad, and then I put my foot down. It was close. It was exciting. I was like, oh,
I know. I was watching. That was.
You looked at me.
Yeah, I was looking at you. Yeah.
Why'd you look at him?
Because I didn't.
I saw him out of the corner of my eye. I saw him look at me, and I knew right then he's gonna lose.
Yeah.
He lost it.
That's what happened. Yep.
Got in your head. Well, it was still a lot of fun. I definitely feel like I have no clutch control. So this is definitely a drill that I'm going to revisit. I tried to do the clutch control with my throttle maybe like once or twice. When I did it, I either stalled or I even like went forward a little bit and stalled forward, which kind of like was sketchy to me. So it's just something that I need to get used to again. You know, getting used to the controls and feeling comfortable with that. Yeah, I want to definitely revisit this for sure in the future because I think it's a really good drill. It's just that I don't even feel like I'm good enough to even do this drill. Gio did a good job. I think this benefited him a lot more than me because I don't even feel to that level yet, which is kind of crazy to think. But it was a lot of fun still, having a good time learning, you know, fundamentals.